Yo, what is going on, guys? It's your boy Dank. Today I will be showing you a way to get free Bitcoins. I've been using this site for, I don't know, maybe a month or two. I haven't really been that active on it, but it's called Advercoins. Their web address is just advercoins.com. So what you do is when you get here and you create an account and you end up going to the Earn Bitcoins tab, it's a pay-to-click site, and they have really good rates and good sites that you can click. It takes, most of these are 5 seconds, and when it says 5 seconds, it's super, super quick. And also, it gives you like really good payouts like this, 30 seconds for 26 Satoshi. And they also have offers that you can do. So they have an offer wall. It's Wanad's offer wall. They're not the best, but you know, they're an offer wall, and they give decent. They give like not bad, but pretty good rates on their stuff. Most of the stuff I do is just an app thing. So they have a bunch of apps here, and you can just download them. And then once you do what it says to do, you get the points. So I just want to make sure that the site is legit. So I have already gotten this much BTC right here, and then I'm going to withdraw part of it, and it says that it takes them at least 7 days to get you your Bitcoin. So I'll go ahead and uh, request to withdraw, and then we'll see what's up. Alright, so now I have all of my information in. I'll blur out my Bitcoin address just in case. But this is what it looks like. So I'm gonna hit withdraw, and we'll see. And it just shows pending. So once I get the coins and stuff, then I'll share it with you guys and then upload the video. So let's cut to when I get the coins. Alright, so it's been a few weeks. I haven't checked really much lately because I've been a little busy. But we're going to go over to my account, and you will see it shows payments received right here, 0.2. And my account balance is lower because I also did another payment or withdrawal, and I should be getting it tomorrow because it will be 7 days after, as you can see down here. So yeah, so once you receive your payment, it shows right here that it is complete, and then I will go over to where my wallet is, my Bitcoin wallet is, and you will see right here, this line, the highlighted one right here, shows that I was paid 0.0002 Bitcoin, and that leaves my balance at this number right here. These over here are just from another website that I use, and I will leave a link to the video that I made on it, because I made a video on it, and it's a really good website. You should go check that one out too. And then this website, Advercoins, I really like it because it's really nice to use. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and if you need to use the site, I will leave a link to my with referral code so you can get extra Bitcoin when you join the site. And thanks for watching. Have a good one.